This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing for Fujitsu General, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. All of the models feature louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, as well as powder-coated paint and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. The units have a QR code on them which allows for handy access to technical information. The Value Series WA15 models are basic 15-seater units that are more of a builder-grade air conditioner, as they have a boxy look to them and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The Premium Series FOC18 units are ultimate air conditioners with a variable speed compressor and a standard compressor blanket for noise control, which results in a much quieter unit with a sound rating that is less than normal conversation. They are backed by a good warranty that includes unit replacement in the event of compressor failure within 10 years of installation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Premium category. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.